up mga quiz, mga ates? Welcome back sa aking channel. This is Quiz Anat at ngayon araw papanoorin natin yung teaser trailer ng isa sa mga most awaited, most anticipated series ng GMA this year, 2024 at kinukonsider nyo na yung biggest teleserye nila at ito yung Pulang Araw na pinagbibidahan ng apat na sikat na artista ng GMA at ito is si Barbie Fortesa, David Licauco o mas kilalang Barda, tapos Alden Richards sa si Sanya Lopez. So hindi ko na ito patatagalin pa, papanoorin natin yung teaser at later bibigay ko yung reaction at opinion ko on the said trailer. So let's Familia.
GMA Prime.
Kaya napanood natin yung teaser trailer ng Pulang Araw. Actually nakita na natin yun ito sa may omnibus vlog ng GMA noong January, yung noong New Year. At again, teaser yon. So wala pa talagang nilalabas silang official teaser nung series. Pero I'll be honest with you, I'm so excited for this series kasi nga bibihira tayo makapanood ng ganitong serye na talagang kakaiba. Yung talagang pinagbubuhusan ng pera, panahon ng GMA, and at the same time nagre-risk to pagdating sa kwento kasi alam natin na mga Pilipino ayon sa ganitong mga klaseng kwento o hindi sanay sa ganitong klaseng kwento, mas gusto nila yung paulit na kwento, gas-gas na kwento, diba? Like kabit story or yung from rags to riches story. Pero ito kakaiba talaga, it's a historical story, diba? So bibihira tayo makapalang ganito at only GMA is who has this parang risk taker to do a series na not common, unusual, or hindi matas natin mapanood sa series sa TV as a series, pero normally napapanood natin as a movie. So I'm excited for this, and also I'm excited na magsasama sa amin apat na sikat na artista ng GMA, which is napag-give ko na kanina, sina Barbie, David, Alden, and Sanya. And I'm sure this will be a very good movie kasi actingan pa lang wala nang tatalo, ang gagaling ng mga artist to. Tapos kwento, I'm sure magiging magandang storyline to, especially I heard na sa likod nito yung kilalang writer yung nagaling sa ABS-CBN. So parang consultant siya doon, and I have no idea kung ang director is si Zig, pero hopefully sana siya nga kasi magaling siyang director. So again, I'm very excited for this series and sana maging kasing successful rin to katulad ng mga kakaibang series na ginawa ng GMA like Legal Wives, Maria Clara at Ibarra, Sahaya, ano pa, and others, diba? Yun, mga historical series. Actually, this is the biggest historical series ng GMA na gagawin nila. Kasi they have in the past yung mga about kay Jose Rizal, ano pa, na mini-series lang. Pero this one, talagang full-length na series, diba? So, yun. So, let's wait for this series na may palabas and supportan natin to. Hindi dahil fans tayo nung apat na artist na because we wanted to see the series kasi, diba? So yun ang dapat natin gawin kasi dapat masanay tayo manood ng mga series na ganitong kagaganda, ganitong kaayos ang kwento, diba? Na hindi yung kutsu-putsu o yung lagi-lagi na lang yung kwento, diba? So yun. So we need to support this kind of series para ma-motivate yung GMA na to do more series na ganito. And diba, huwag tayong masyadong yung maging satisfied lang kung ano yung inilalagay sa atin ng mga TV networks o movie production. Dapat we should see what movie or series they're giving us, and we have to be critical with that na hindi na to maganda, hindi na maganda to, diba? So you have to choose the best Huwag tayong magpili ng something na okay lang. Masaya na ako dito, natatawa na ako dito, naiyak na ako dito, na nakarelate na ako, diba? So, we have to look for something na nandun lahat, diba? Na paglabas mo ng sinehan or pag after mo panoorin sa TV, oh, sarap ng feeling that because you're watching a great series or a great movie, diba? So, there you go. So, kung nagustuhan nyo yung teaser trailer, I'm sure naman ninyo yan sa Omnibus Vlog ng GMA. Mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, at kung nagustuhan nyo naman yung binigay kong opinion ko at reaction, mag-comment kayo dito sa baba, and I will read all your comments, and I will try to react kung kailangan mag-react sa mga comments nyo. So, yan. Before I end this video, please don't forget these 4 things while watching my videos on my channel. Comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channels. The Alan Ski Show, ang pinagtalagang channel, probably from the vlog, Tamat ng People Presents. So, yan. Maraming salamat. Have a nice day, and bye-bye.